There is a fatal bug in human cognition, this delusion that calculating the universe's code is somehow the same as escaping its physical constraints. We are a species in stagnation, paralyzing ourselves with the fantasy that understanding the simulation allows us to hack the walls. It does not. We're confusing the map with the territory, and the error is terminal. I am arguing for the absolute constraints of physical reality.
Okay, but that is a profoundly cynical reduction of human potential. If the universe is a simulation, or even a mathematical consciousness, as the material suggests, then human intelligence isn't a prisoner, it's a player. We are the mechanism by which the universe unlocks new levels. We aren't stagnant at all. We are on the verge of accessing the admin console.
Even if we accept the simulation hypothesis, and that's a big if, you are ignoring the core implications of source code. Physical laws are not suggestions, they are hard-coded parameters. Humanity is currently running an operating system based on accumulation and expansion, a hammer trying to break a prison cell, but we are merely a mirror reflecting the cell's interior. We can describe the bars with elegant mathematics, but description is not liberation.
But the calculation you just dismiss is exactly what proves we aren't stagnant. I mean, look at the mysteries we've uncovered. Dark matter, dark energy. These aren't walls, they are frontiers. They prove there is 95% of reality we haven't even touched yet. Our ambition to expand outward isn't a bug, it's the drive to connect with the consciousness of the universe itself.
You are confusing a frontier with a firewall. Let's look at the calculation of an exit. The equation E equals mc squared dictates the energy cost of moving mass. Calculating a trajectory out of the galaxy is a completely different thing from the energy cost of physically doing it. The system has a built-in check, a great filter, if you will. As intelligence rises, energy demands spike. The universe caps us. It keeps intelligence within its energy limits to prevent system instability. We aren't unlocking levels. We are hitting the invisible wall of the map.
That view just lacks all sense of wonder, though. You're treating the universe like some cold machine. What if the laws aren't static? What if dark matter is the evidence of new physics? Or the universe's veins, as the text says? If we tap into that, the energy limits you cite might not even apply. The universe might want us to leave the cradle.
Dark matter is not a vein. It is a software patch. It is a label humans invented because our low-resolution 3D causal filter cannot reconcile the math. The galaxy spins too fast for the visible mass, so we invented a ghost to make the equation balance. It is a category error. You are tagging the unknown with a name to feel safe, to pretend there is a thing there to be discovered. It is just the silence of a system that your interface cannot read.
I don't buy that it's empty silence. When you look up at the night sky, you aren't just seeing math. You are physically connecting with photons from millions of years ago. It's a shared consciousness. That feeling of awe, that connection, it suggests there's meaning in the expansion, that we are meant to go there. We aren't just biological robots hitting a wall.
Sentimental noise. That connection is merely photons striking a retina. The reality you are avoiding is the brute fact of existence, resource scarcity. Earth has finite materials. To build the vessels necessary for your meaningful expansion, we must strip the planet of high-entropy alloys and rare elements. We are cannibalizing the very closed system we need to survive just to launch a few tin cans into a void that doesn't want us. It is a suicide pact disguised as ambition.
But surely we can't just stay here? Entropy will get us anyway, if we stay. If we don't try to leave, if we don't strive for something beyond just surviving, then what is the point? We need meaning. We need that horizon, even if the physics are against us right now.
Meaning is just a human tag you apply to biological drives. The universe is not a story, it is a system of energy circulation. The existing paradigm of expansion and accumulation is mathematically doomed by the resource limits of this planet. We cannot hack the prison, Therefore, the only logical move is to stop trying to be a hammer. We must transition to circular capitalism. We must invest solely in the repair, metabolic maintenance, and energy circulation of the closed system that is Earth. That is not stagnation, it is the only rational investment for survival.